Today is Wednesday, February 18th, 2026, and we're going to explore portfolio trades on TSFStocks.com. TSFstocks creates forecasts of specific limit order prices for each trading day, published 1 week in advance. Historical validation shows an average of 80% probability of profitability. And all of that data, every forecast and every result, is right here on the site for you to review independently. Portfolio trades combine the TSF timing signal with traditional factor fund selection. Now in this example, we'll start with the default portfolio configuration when you land on the portfolio trades page. This is the technology sector, high momentum factor, all forecast strategy, 90% confidence interval, and 20 positions in the portfolio. Portfolio examples use a 5% profit target with a 120-day maximum hold with quarterly rebalances. The portfolio periods show the full period beginning January 2021 with continuous active trading using the automated portfolio trade signals, as well as single-year portfolio performance. The full period and the 2026 period are live and updated daily. Now, this configuration didn't do so well in 2021 and especially not in 2022. But last year in 2025, it returned more than 20%. So far this year, it's returned more than 13%. Let's look at this side by side so we can see how things change when we adjust some of the parameters. First, let's explore some different factors. So we'll go from high momentum to low momentum. Notice how the list of tickers in the current portfolio changes when we change the factor, because each factor selected a different set of stocks from the technology sector. Now, low momentum is worse. High volatility is awful. Low volatility has a much better historical performance up through about 2024, and then 2025 and 2026 didn't perform as well as they did with high momentum. High beta is all over the map. 2025 returned over 32%, but the rest of the results are inconsistent. And low beta's results are nothing to write home about. So we're looking at the all forecast strategy with a 90% confidence interval. Now, if we change that to the 85% confidence interval, what we're getting is more frequent buy signals. But this means, in this case, that the returns have gotten worse. So what's happening here is that each stock can have only one open position at a time. And so more buy signals means the stocks are entering sooner and they may not be entering with as good of a quality signal. So more buys in this case aren't helping this portfolio. But if we change the confidence band to 95%, this is fewer buy signals, but they're a higher quality. The returns improve across the board. But notice the average exposure is a little bit lower because it takes longer to get a buy. But those buys are better quality. These are the trade-offs when you adjust the configurations to find the optimal configuration. Now let's explore how many positions work best for this portfolio. Now, my research has shown that 20 positions is usually the sweet spot for factor portfolios. But if we take this portfolio up to 30 positions, the historical performance improves a lot. And holding 40 positions with this technology stocks, well, this seems to be the winning option. All of the historical positions are much better, even though 2026 is a little worse off so far. So here's how you trade on it. You can add the entire portfolio configuration to your watch list. And once it's there, you can add it to your subscription. Every Sunday, you get updated limit order prices for the full trading week, a specific price for each day. If the stock drops to that price on Monday, that's your buy. Tuesday, Wednesday, same thing. These are your entry signals, and they carry an excellent chance of reaching 5% profit. The stocks will update with each quarterly rebalance, and you can use these signals to automate your portfolio trades. You can subscribe for up to 50 tickers. Each one gets the same weekly forecast with daily limit order prices based on your selected strategy and confidence band. Subscriptions are for individual non-commercial research use only. And the 14-day free trial gives you forecasted limit order prices for any 10 tickers you choose. Pick your stocks, see the signals, and verify the results yourself. As always, past performance does not guarantee future results.